Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smita. Now, most of us have this misconception that it's very difficult to do a cut crease or halo eyes on hooded eyes. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to combine both and I'm going to show you a super easy way to achieve a center cut crease halo eyes for hooded eyes. So if you're ready, let's get started. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. Now let's look straight in the mirror. Can you see your lids? Or is it hiding under some extra meat or the hood? If your answer is yes, then you have hooded eyes like me. And if your eyes are hooded, the eye makeup on your lids might not show when your eyes are open, and you might have a prominent crease line just like me passing somewhere along the mid-lid. Now, because this crease line is hiding underneath the hood, we will create a new crease line on top of the lid to keep our eyes looking wide and bright, and for that, we need to create some space. And the way we will make that space is by keeping a distance between our lids and our brows, by keeping the arch of our brows high. I'm going to be using the Ardell medium brown pomade with my angled brush from Doe Color. I'm going to be filling in just the sparse areas in my brow. As you can see, I'm only filling in the sparse areas. I'm not dragging my brows down because we want to maintain that distance. And then I'm taking a spoolie brush, and this is also from Doe Color, and I'm going to comb my brow hair gently just so all the color spreads across evenly. And now I'm going to create a clean canvas all the way from my lash line to my brows by painting it with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in pure beige. I'm using my e.l.f. eyeliner brush, which I use as a concealer brush. I'm going to evenly spread this concealer out with a damp beauty sponge before I set this concealer with the NYC loose powder just so it doesn't settle in the fine lines and crease. You can use any loose powder or translucent powder to set your concealer. If you have fine lines on your lids and you don't set your concealer with some powder, your concealer is going to settle in those fine lines and crease like it has on my left lid. It's always a good idea to highlight just underneath your brow bones to keep your eyes looking wide awake. And for that, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Mineral Glow Pearls. Now that we have a clean canvas and some extra space to work with, let's go ahead and create a new crease. Today, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. First, I'm taking Cocoa Truffle with this bullet pencil brush. And I'm going to make some markings with this. I'm going to mark my outer corner, my inner corner, and then I'm going to look straight in the mirror and mark a new crease line that will show when my eyes are open. And as you can see, when my eyes are open, you can see the new crease line that I've created, and I have some extra lid space to work with. And now with the Sigma E40 blending brush, I'm going to diffuse this line and soften up everything at the crease. Next, I'm taking New Money, which is this pretty purple color, and I'm going to repeat the previous step to create some extra depth in the outer corner, inner corner, and the crease. And then I'm taking my Sigma E40 once again, and I'm going to blend out the purple with the brown. And when my eyes are open, you can still see the purple and the brown. The next step is to cut the crease, and for that I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. My shade is pure beige, and I'm taking this flat shader brush from Doe Color. Again, I'm going to look straight in the mirror, and I'm going to lightly mark the area where I want to cut the crease, so when my eyes are open, all my eye makeup is still visible. After I've made the markings, I'm going to start dragging my brush down, almost creating a funnel-like shape right in the center of the lid. I also like to diffuse out the edges with my finger, just so the blending becomes easier later on. For my lids to pop, I'm going to use a light gold shimmer called Gold Dip. With this flat shader brush from Coastal Scents, I'm going to apply it directly on top of the concealer. And when you use a lighter shimmer in the center of the lid and darker shades in the outer and inner corners, it gives a more well-rounded halo effect. I'm going to take more of the New Money, first with the fluffy pencil brush to blend out the edges. And then with this tiny lip brush to sharpen up the cut crease. Making sure everything is well blended with a small fluffy brush before I use New Money once again in my entire lower lash line. To add a nice shine to my waterline so it balances out with my lid, I'm using the perfect pair I want from Wet n Wild in Bronze Toast. Next, I'm prepping my natural lashes for the falsies by curling it and applying a coat of the Big Shot Mascara from Maybelline. If you have hooded or droopy eyes, it's a good idea to use lightweight lashes which are wispy so you can see through them and you can still see the lid, as opposed to using heavy lashes that'll cover or block your lids. And for that reason, I'm using the Ardell Natural Lashes in 116. And then I'm going to finish up my eye makeup with a coat of mascara in my lower lashes. That's it, you guys. How easy was that? Comment below and let me know your thoughts. And if you enjoyed watching this tutorial, don't forget to thumbs up. If you plan to recreate this look or any of my other looks, don't forget to tag me. I've included links to all my social media accounts in the description box right below this video. Also there, you will find all the products that I've used in today's tutorial. I love you guys so much and I will see you soon with a brand new tutorial. Bye guys.